Question number 1. Which port has been renamed as V.O. Chidambaranar Port? Option A. Tuticorin Port. B. Paradip Port. C. Chennai Port. D. Kolkata Port. Answer is option A. Tuticorin Port. Question number 2. Which is the only port in South India to provide weekly container service to the United States? Option A. Mumbai Port. B. Chennai Port. C. Visakhapatnam Port. D. Tuticorin Port. Answer is option D. Tuticorin Port. Question number 3. Which port in India is named after the country's first Prime Minister? Option A. Indira Gandhi Port. B. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. C. Rajiv Gandhi Port. D. Nehru Terminal. Answer is option B. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question number 4. What was the first port built in India after independence in 1947? Option A. Mundra Port. B. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. C. Kandla Port. D. Chennai Port. Answer is option C. Kandla Port. Question number 5. The first port trust board in India was established for which port? Option A. Chennai Port. B. Kolkata Port. C. Mumbai Port. D. Kandla Port. Answer is option B. Kolkata Port. Question number 6. Which port in India was the first to be established as a corporate port? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. B. Mundra Port. C. Ennore Port. D. Mumbai Port. Answer is option C. Ennore Port. Question number 7. Which port is known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea? Option A. Kochi Port. B. Mumbai Port. C. Visakhapatnam Port. D. Chennai Port. Answer is option A. Kochi Port. Question number 8. Which port is known as the Gateway of Karnataka? Option A. Mangalore Port. B. Kochi Port. C. Visakhapatnam Port. D. Chennai Port. Answer is option A. Mangalore Port. Question number 9. Which port is known as a tidal port? Option A. Kolkata Port. B. Kandla Port. C. Mumbai Port. D. Chennai Port. Answer is option B. Kandla Port. Question number 10. Which state has the maximum number of seaports? Option A. Maharashtra. B. Gujarat. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Karnataka. Answer is option A. Maharashtra. Question number 11. Which is the largest shipbuilding and maintenance facility in India? Option A. Hindustan Shipyard Limited. B. Goa Shipyard Limited. C. Cochin Shipyard Limited. D. Bharti Shipyard Limited. Answer is option C. Cochin Shipyard Limited. Question number 12. Which port was upgraded in the fourth five-year plan to accommodate larger ships? Option A. Mumbai Port. B. New Mangalore Port. C. Visakhapatnam Port. D. Paradip Port. Answer is option B. New Mangalore Port. Question number 13. What is the primary item exported from Visakhapatnam Port? Option A. Crude oil. B. Tea. C. Textiles. D. Iron ore. Answer is option D. Iron ore. Question number 14. Which port in India is a part of the Kaladan multimodal project? Option A. Kolkata Port. B. Paradip Port. C. Chennai Port. D. Mumbai Port. Answer is option A. Kolkata Port. Question number 15. When was the Jawaharlal Nehru Port built? Option A. 15th of May 1989. B. 26th of October 1989. C. 28th of December 1989. D. 26th of May 1989. Answer is option D. 26th of May 1989. Question number 16. Which port in India has a free trade zone? Option A. Chennai Port. B. Kandla Port. C. Mumbai Port. D. Visakhapatnam Port. Answer is option B. Kandla Port. Question number 17. Which port in India is called World Class International Container Handling Port? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. B. Chennai Port. C. Paradip Port. D. Mundra Port. Answer is option A. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question number 18. Which is the largest artificial port in India? Option A. Paradip Port. B. Mumbai Port. C. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. D. Kochi Port. Answer is option C. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Question number 19. Which is the largest private port in India? Option A. Mumbai Port. B. Mundra Port. C. Chennai Port. D. Visakhapatnam Port. Answer is option B. Mundra Port. Question number 20. Which was the first in Asia to recognize the effectiveness of the export processing zone? Option A. Kandla Special Economic Zone. B. Ennore Port. C. Kochi Port. D. Paradip Port. Answer is option A. Kandla Special Economic Zone. Question number 21. Which organization provides integrated dredging services to the major ports in India? Option A. Shipping Corporation of India. B. Dredging Corporation of India Limited. C. Indian Ports Association. D. Indian Maritime University. Answer is option B. Dredging Corporation of India Limited. Question number 22. When was the Indian Maritime University established? Option A. 14th November 2008. B. 14th November 2006. C. 14th November 2010. D. 14th November 2012. Answer is option A. 14th November 2008. Question number 23. Which port in India is the deepest landlocked and protected port? Option A. Chennai Port. B. Ennore Port. C. Mumbai Port. D. Visakhapatnam Port. Answer is option D. Visakhapatnam Port. Question number 24. Where is Vizag Port located? Option A. Tamil Nadu. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Kerala. Answer is option B. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 25. Where is Panambur Port located? Option A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Karnataka. D. Maharashtra. Answer is option C. Karnataka.